BBAI stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Notice that I'm the only guy in this page who's done 43,000 videos over 5 years, documented them all, and actually shown you what is making money and what's not making money. Especially with this, I know it's in this correction phase of around 10%, but bro, mainly the only thing that I would care is still to get involved and hopefully buy, because I do think this could be huge, like it was before here and then here. Because notice who was beforehand here buying in these exact movements here. That was me. And then not only that I can say this, I can actually show you too. Like at the time it was 228, 7 months ago, around here, reached freaking 10, which is 5x. And then I've got like 3 longs. Fourth one, I'm just waiting for the rules to be met so I can then hopefully take it further up. But that's why I'm waiting, and I have this in caps, because if my rules are not met, then bro, I'm not moving forward. Yeah, that's exactly how that's gonna look like. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned with BBAI and want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.